If anybody's wondering how hot it got, let's just say this is the old race. This is the clutch. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Millimeter by millimeter. But I'll get her off, you watch. Tires are still good from the drift. Drifting. Alright, so you guys want to see how I did this? I'll show you. So, I bent this, I bent it back, but got her kind of straight back. Now we're going inch by inch, but I grabbed my hammer, stick her in like this, because she got red hot there. She kind of cooked herself onto my shaft, and I used the leverage. Almost there. I might have to think of another leverage point because my hammer's not long enough now. Fucking shitty. You fucking bitch. Look at this. So close. And I'm not wrecking my shaft, thankfully. And it doesn't seem like I'm wearing down the side too bad. Almost there. Now, just for reference, I had my hammer in behind that shaft, and I went like this, and I hit the head.